it's a three-part heuristic. Number one, what do I have to do that will make me a hero in my organization? Two, which of those things that will allow me to be a hero have a whole lot of data associated with them? And there are obviously lots of dimensions of data. So you can have data with lots of different attributes. And then number three, where does that data also have outcomes associated with it? Let's say that it's really important for you to have telephone calls take less time. This would make you a hero for two people. Make you a hero for the worker on the phone, make you a hero for the customer on the phone. Everybody's happy. Two, you've got 100 million telephone calls a year. It's, crazy volume. Number three, do you know whether the call went well or not? And you're like, well, what is a good call? And they're like, shorter. And you say, okay, a probabilistic strategy, a strategy based on the analysis of multiple variables in a massive amount of data, will help you get to a shorter call. But don't go sorcerer's apprentice. Make sure you know that a shorter call is what you want. Because one way it might get you to a shorter call is it might match the people who are most likely to have a long call to the people who are least likely to speak their language. Because from the machine's perspective, hey, that's a shorter call. So you might want to have multivariate outcomes as well. Where do I have a shorter call, which gets a really good ranking from the customer, and where the customer is less likely to depart my service within the next 12 months? And so exhaustive testing is also very valuable. So the CIO's question, how do I get started? It's a really good idea to get started by doing things so that workers can see AI at work. So that's number one. Go ahead and get started. Number two, you should look for things that everyone will agree it is worth trying to do. So if things are an incomplete success, and what is not an incomplete success? When things are an incomplete success, you want everybody to say, wow, it's so great you tried to do that, because that's a big deal to us. Because you are a total of half successful, we now know things we didn't used to know about that. So one, find things that'll make you a hero. Two, when you pick something, does it have a lot of data associated? Are there lots of interactions that are multivariate and that are large in volume? And three, is there an outcome associated with it? Four, try a probabilistic strategy to see if artificial intelligence can help.